Section 4. The next letter we are going to learn to write is a consonant. The sound is D. D for dog. I want you to find the letter D on page 4 in your book. Page 4 looks like this. We're going to work with the sound D. Say the sound and words after me. D. D for drum. D for drum. D for doll. D for doll. Let's read it again from the beginning. D for drum. D for doll. We are now going to practice writing the sound D. Put your finger on the first D. I'm going to show you how to write the sound D. We start at the top, all the way down, halfway up and round. I'm going to show you again. We start at the top, a straight line down, halfway up and round. I want you to trace the letter with your finger. Now take a crayon and trace the first D. Now that you have traced the first letter D, let's go to the second letter. Put your finger on the second letter D. I'm going to show you how to write the sound. We start at the top, straight line down, back up, round and join it. I want you to trace the letter with your finger. Now take a crayon and trace the second letter D. Now that you have traced the second letter D, let's go to the last letter. Put your finger on the last D. I'm going to show you how to write the sound. We start at the top, straight line down, halfway up, round and join it to the line. I want you to trace the letter with your finger. Now take a crayon and trace the last D. Let's read again. D for drum. D for doll. You have practiced writing the sound D. Now see if you can write the letter on your own. If you have finished writing the letter D on your own, you can color in the dog. D for dog. The dog barks at the postman. Well done. Give yourself a hug and say, I am a star. Now go to Classroom 1, Section 5.